For the past 2 weeks, students have been at the forefront of the protest against Spanish repression. Not that they hadn't been there before, but now they are really standing out. Most universities are on strike. They have occupied Plaza Universitat in Barcelona, and they are calling themselves the 14th of October generation.
Having lunch with all these people, and all that we have around here, it's brought by the people who support us every day. They come here, they give us food, they give us support, they give us everything.
So I'm giving support to the people who is camping here. I'm actually not camping, but I think it's really important to give support to the people who is doing it, because I think it's a really good way of protesting to everything that's happening in Barcelona and in Catalonia. So yeah.
In this past month, we've been like not every night, but like constantly going to the demonstrations, because we feel like we are very angry with the situation. So we have to speak our minds and let that know to the world.
Show how the youth and students are very much against the reaction that the Spanish state has had against our discontent, our rage, our fury, our feeling of helplessness almost.
So the thing is, the 1st October we did a referendum, so we wanted to vote, just to vote to know if people from Catalonia wanted independence or not. And there's a lot of people that has been punished, a lot of politicians, a lot of people from different social movements that have been punished from Spanish justice, just to do that, just to try to vote if we want independence or not. And what we are asking is that it's just our right to vote for the independence, if we want independence or not.
Our demand is for the president of the Spanish government to explain what is happening here, to take credit for the police abuse. We want our prisoners with free charges in the streets. We want a dignified future. We want an autodetermination referendum, and basically we want freedom.
Referendum, yeah, great. Amnesty, also very good. End of repression, it's the first step toward both of these.
We just want that, to talk and not being beaten for wanting to vote. And we tried many times to vote.
Forceful use of batons, forceful use of rubber bullets, excessive use of rubber bullets and batons, and to break up protests which have in the main been generally peaceful.
We want to speak with the government, with the Spanish government, because we feel like things will work so much better if we just speak instead of going to the streets and getting attacked by police. So we prefer a non-violent way of solving this problem.
We're demanding, many people say it's about a new republic of Catalonia, and many people say it's about human rights. So basically, these people are supporting the same cause, we say, because right now it's not only about referendum or self-determination. It's about human rights, about saying something, your opinion, and not being repressed for saying it.
It's hard. The ultimate demand is we can live in a society that we want to live in that is not dictated by what is the remains of a fascist state in a lot of senses, and it was the remains of the Francoist state.
I think now, on the point we're sending a message to the world, not just to the Spanish government, because they don't really listen to us. We try to send a message to them. We want something, we want our rights, we want them back, but we are also sending a message to the world. In Spain it's happened this, no one is talking about that outside Catalonia, outside Spain, and we need this to be a main thing to talk in the world, around the world. just like happened in Hong Kong, for example.
I slept here this night. This is our first night, and perhaps it's gonna last a week. It's gonna last 2 weeks. It's gonna take, I don't know, but I'm gonna stay here as long as it takes.
This started yesterday, and I don't know for how long this will be, but I think it will be for much long, because young people is really feeling that and really wants to fight for their rights and for their freedom. So I think it will be for really long.
We are, as I said, in an indeterminate period of time staying here because we want some changes to happen, and if we don't do things this way, nothing will change.
What I expect, no change. What I hope, a change.